you have an art channel and you want to rank on YouTube, then you will have to upload videos every day. But every day finding out what to draw is a little bit difficult for artists like us, because we just can't draw and upload. We need to think about our audience retention too. We will have to think about our subscribers, that they will see it or not, and next we will have to match our YouTube trend too. And I will discuss all about it in this video. Hey, I am Sudapa Ghosh, and I had the same problem as you have, that I was not getting the right topic every day. What should I draw and upload? Then I have done a deep research and find out the easiest and simplest way, that is, all you need to have a calendar like this. If you don't have, then download the soft copy as you can see here, and now focus on it. Suppose this is the time of Ram Navami, then you will have to draw something related with this festival or holiday and some symbolic things as per your art channel. Now what does it mean that as per your art channel? See, we all have art channels, but all channels are not same. Some channels are based on portraits like mine, and some channels focuses on Rangoli and some on abstract works. So you need to find out your forte and then select a symbolic topic which will relate the current festival or holiday. Now what if we don't have any holiday or festival? Then how to select the topic? That time you need to focus on birthdays, and if there is no birthday, then you will have to search the trending movie of that time or some trending topics. See, if you don't know how to search the trending topic on YouTube, then please comment me. I will make a separate video on that. And if you think this video is useful for you, then give a thumbs up. And also, if you are a new viewer, then subscribe my channel, because I used to upload videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next video to solve another problem. Till then, take care. Bye.